Pressure keeps dropping on this boiler, so I'm going to change the PRV, and this is the expansion vessel. So here you can see when I press this valve, no water coming out. So I'm going to replace this shader valve. So this is the shader valve core, and this is Regin REG K33, that's the product number. And this is the screwdriver to take this thing out and put this shader valve into the expansion vessel. It locked, then do anti-clockwise. So here you can see this bulb is out, so I'm going to replace with the new Schroeder bulb core. So you can see on this bulb, so there is a washer, and this bit is the top. Schroeder bulb screwdriver, and then clockwise to screw back into the expansion vessel. So this one is tight now, and now I'm going to use this resin pump to recharge this expansion vessel. Recharge the expansion vessel is written here. There's 1 bar. So this expansion vessel has been recharged now, so it's going back to the boiler.